Hit the bell, it's only right. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like. It's Quita. Don't forget it. Tell a friend. You won't regret it. Join the family. Don't miss the vlogs. Makeup tutorials. She do it all. Might be at the crib. Might be at the mall. Run up every video cause shorty tryna ball. Yeah, it's Quita.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in the kitchen again because today I'm gonna be making ramen for you guys. Yay! But first, happy Vlogmas, guys. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and that notification button to be notified when I post a video. Yeah, just hit that little screen, that little ring. I know y'all heard the freaking intro. Hit the bell. It's only right. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, I just came from the store and I got some peanut flavored sauce and I got a bunch of instant noodles and ramen noodles. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and show the vlog of us doing that. So yeah, go ahead and watch our little trip to the store. Yes, we're back. So yeah, that was just a little bit trip to the store that we took, and yeah, we just took that trip to the store, and like I said, I got a bunch of stuff to make some ramen. I really want to make tantaman ramen today, so yeah, tantaman ramen is on my list for today. I didn't find like the tahini or whatever, but I found this peanut flavored sauce. I heard it tastes a little bit like that, so I just went ahead and picked this up just in case. See, and I have some tonkatsu noodles here for you guys. Let me just show y'all a quick look of it. This is like a soup base. It's like a tare. If you ever had like ramen and Kevin got these fried noodles where you can saute them with egg on top of it and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna make some noodles today and we're gonna get started. So first things first, you're just gonna get all your ingredients together. I already washed my hands. Wash your hands if you're gonna do this with me. Go ahead and wash your hands and we're gonna get started. First, we have these ingredients here that they look really good. I'm just gonna make some chili oil and stuff like that. And yeah, you're gonna see what I do. Also have your ramen. If you don't have your ramen, then I don't know what to tell y'all. I need to get some fresh, well not fresh ramen, but just get this pack of ramen. It was really good. Pork, I got some pork here. I'm just gonna cut up my noodles. I mean, not noodles, my pork here. Get it nice and minced. It's just me, so I don't need a lot of like pork mince. I just need a little bit. It's just gonna be like maybe one bowl. Yeah, so Kevin's gone right now, so it's just me tonight. So yeah, he just left. He just left me here. So I was gonna make this for both of us, but since he's not here, I'm gonna make it for me. Yeah, so just gonna start like keep on mincing this up. I think I'm doing a pretty good job at mincing this, actually. I don't want too much pork. It's just a little bit for me. I mean, it is going to shrink, so I'm going to just use all of this. In case I want another bowl. I haven't eaten all day, guys. All day I have not eaten, so I'm going to try to eat today. Eat as much as I can. So yeah, just going to start by cutting this. That Asian market is so good. Like, I love that Asian market. It's literally the best. They didn't have what I wanted though, but it's still, otherwise it's good. It looks kind of like, I don't know what type of building it's in, but it's like they did the best they could with what they had. So but yeah, I'm trying to get these pieces as small as I can, super small. Yeah, I don't want big chunks of meat because I know what the tantaman ramen, it's like grounded. I didn't get ground pork because I don't want ground pork, so I just went ahead and got, like, I didn't want a whole bunch of ground pork. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cooking it. So I'm just gonna take this, I forgot what it's called. I think it's called shoyu or something, but all the letters in Japanese, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a couple of tablespoons of that. I'll take 1/4 cup of tablespoons of that. And I'm just gonna mix it to mix the tare. Yeah, I'm just gonna pour it in there. I'm also mix it with this sauce. I'll just go ahead and pour this peanut sauce. It has a weird flavor. I already kind of taste it. And now I'm going to mix and put that chili oil in there and mix it all together. So yeah, I'm just gonna boil that. Again, you can get this pendant at Urbanice.com and you can use the code 25QUI for percentage off of your order. So right now I'm just bringing this to a boil and I'm just gonna wait for this to boil. And now I got my wok ready and I'm gonna add some garlic and I'm gonna add some like spicy garlic oil or something like that. I forgot the recipe a little bit. But yeah, and I don't have soy sauce, so I'm just use half and half, I guess, you know. I'd rather use this than milk, so yeah, I'm just gonna use half and half. So when that comes, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna add some bouillon powder to it, so let's just hope that this turns out good. I mean, it's kind of creamy. It's not soy sauce, but it's creamy. So let's just hope that this works out. So now I'm gonna be adding my garlic. little bit of rice vinegar. Now I'm just going to turn it around. Got some garlic on. I'm going to turn the heat down to 5, and yeah, so that's just going to simmer. Now I'm going to add the meat, the best part. Alright, you guys, so I just made my egg. This dog literally just came down. So yeah, anyway, I just made my egg because I almost forgot to make the egg. I'm not a huge egg person, so I could really do without the egg, but you know, I'm just gonna go add it for the aesthetic because why not? Wash this off first. So you're supposed to use bok choy, but I didn't because I don't have bok choy, and I didn't want to buy it because I wasn't sure how it tasted. So yeah, I'm just assembling the ramen right now, so yeah. So delicious. Now we're just gonna make our chai tea, and I'm just gonna start by adding ice cubes so that I can have with this delicious meal, because I need some type of coffee. Start by taking the chai tazu. Okay, very delicious. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Don't need a lot. It's already concentrated, and I'm just gonna add that. And then now I'm just gonna add some whole milk, and that's pretty much it. Along with a little bit of flavor, vanilla, because vanilla is delicious. It's a vanilla chai. Now I'm just gonna mix it up. And boom, you got vanilla chai. You guys, here's the big reveal. I finished everything. I made my ramen bowl, and it's absolutely, absolutely creamy, absolutely delicious. Even without soy milk, I really wanted to get soy milk, but I literally forgot. And it's like, nah, I gotta hurry up and get home and start working on this vlog for you guys. So yeah, it's really creamy, really delicious, and I've never had it. It has that like really yummy texture that I don't know, like I really feel like I'm a ramen master now, like seriously. I mean, I'm not like one of those cool ramen masters, but I can make you a good ramen if you want me to. So yeah, so now that I have this, I can enjoy my beautiful chai tea. And yeah, I hope you guys learned a little bit of something. And yeah, this is just what I'm doing around the holidays, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It should be up tonight. Make sure you please put on your post notifications. Yes, I know my hair looks a mess right now, but yeah, I just had to make this food for you guys and show you guys what I'm doing. Just a little bit of my daily life, running some errands, making some ramen and some tea. That's literally what I'm doing on December 3rd. So yeah. Anyways, guys, make sure you leave a like on this video, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.